Hi there, my name's Dean. I'm one of the guys at Qimtek that helps to develop new features for our buyers using our system and platform to obtain quotes from UK manufacturers. It's just a quick one. We've got this new section in here. So if you click under posted projects, if you've got a project running with us at the moment, or even if you had one in the past, we've added this new feature where you can go into the project itself. You can actually see, this is nothing new, that you can actually see all of the companies who are interested, who have said that they're not quoting or that they've quoted. But the new feature is if you click on the company name, you'll now, rather than being diverted around the website to look at profiles, it will slide in from the right hand side of your screen. And from here, you'll see the full company video from top down, who they are. You'll be able to view videos, see some of their previous work, see all the machines that they handle. The idea of this feature is so that it's quicker for you to be able to assess the suppliers who are quoting your work by the Qimtek platform. Hopefully it's a cool feature and you'll find it useful. Thanks very much.